Welcome to the future of getting more leads and traffic with our AI SEO podcast, where AI innovation meets cutting-edge SEO strategies. So buckle up and click the like and subscribe button. Don't miss these new, revolutionary approaches to growing your business on the daily. Here's your hosts, Caden Michaels and the wonderful Eva Harrington.
Welcome back to another deep dive. Last time we got into some of the downsides of AI in content creation. And I know that might have left some of you feeling a little wary.
Yeah.
But today we're looking at the flip side.
Right.
All the awesome potential and benefits AI can bring to content creation.
Exactly. And it's not just some far-off future thing either. It's already changing how we make everything from, blog posts to videos, even marketing campaigns.
It really is. So one of the biggest things you'll notice right away is how much time AI could feed you.
Oh, absolutely.
It's like having this super efficient assistant that just takes care of all those tedious tasks, gathering data and research.
Yeah.
Getting those first drafts out. And it does it so much faster than we ever could.
It really is like having a super speedy and smart editing assistant, I guess you could say.
Yeah, and it's not just about speed either. It can actually help make your content better in a lot of ways.
Oh, for sure. For example, AI can analyze tons of data to see patterns and trends and how your audience is behaving.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and using that, you can tailor your content to exactly what they're interested in and what they like.
So it's more effective.
Way more.
So it's not just about saving time. It's about using that time to make a bigger impact.
Exactly.
By really focusing on what your audience connects with. And speaking of quality, I know a lot of creators worry that AI is just going to churn out this bland, generic content. But from what I've seen, AI can actually boost your creativity and even give you new ideas you wouldn't have thought of on your own.
That's what's so cool about it. It can help you brainstorm, come up with totally new formats for your content.
Wow.
And even help you structure it so it's both engaging, good for SEO.
It's so important these days.
Absolutely. Like, let's say you're working on a white paper and you're kind of stuck on how to structure it. AI tools can actually help you put together a solid outline, which saves your hours of, just sitting there trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
And then you can just get to writing.
It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always available and full of ideas.
Exactly.
But beyond just ideas, how does AI actually improve the content itself?
Here.
Like the writing.
Well, one thing it's really good at is accuracy and clarity. Like, Grammarly.
Oh.
A lot of people use that already. It's AI powered and it helps catch grammar mistakes, makes your writing easier to read.
Right.
And even flags potential plagiarism issues.
That's super helpful.
It is. And it's not just polishing your writing either. AI can also be really important for SEO.
So interesting.
Yeah, making sure your content gets seen by as many people as possible.
So basically AI is taking care of all those behind-the-scenes tasks that can feel like a chore.
Yeah.
And it frees you up to focus on the creative stuff that you actually enjoy.
Wait.
But does that mean that human creativity is becoming less important in the age of AI?
No, not at all. In fact, I think the AI can actually make human creativity even better.
Really?
Yeah, it's not about replacing human ingenuity. It's about using AI to push our creative boundaries and try new things.
Like that.
You can think of it as a partner in the creative process. Helping you get out of creative ruts, adjusting unexpected ideas, and even encouraging you to experiment with the different mediums.
That's a really cool way to look at it.
Like it.
And then a creative co-pilot.
Exactly. And by pushing you to go outside your comfort zone, AI can actually help you discover hidden talents, and reach new levels of creativity that you didn't even know you had.
That's incredible.
It's all about expanding your creative toolbox and giving you the freedom to express your unique voice in ways you might never have imagined on your own.
So it seems like AI is really changing how we understand our audiences. I'm curious to dig a little deeper into.
Yeah, it really comes down to data. No, AI can analyze huge amounts of data, way more than a human ever could, to find these hidden patterns and insights about what your audience likes, what they do, even their pain points.
Okay, so instead of just guessing what our audience wants, we can use AI to really understand their needs and interests.
Exactly. Imagine being able to create content that's so targeted to your audience that like you're reading their minds.
That'd be me.
That's what AI can help you do. And when you hit that level of personalization, you get way more engagement, more loyalty, and ultimately better results from your content.
That makes sense. But with all this talk about data and algorithms, is the human touch becoming less important in content creation?
That's a great question, and it's something a lot of people are wondering about. The short answer is no, AI can analyze data and give you valuable insights, but it's still the human creator who brings the creativity, the empathy, the storytelling that really connects with people.
I'm glad to hear that, because as impressive as AI is, I can't imagine content creation without that human element.
I agree. AI should never be seen as a replacement for human creativity. It's more like a powerful tool that can boost our creative abilities, like having a superpowered sidekick who can handle all the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best. Being creative, connecting with your audience, telling compelling stories.
I love that analogy. It's not about AI taking over, it's about AI helping us to do what we do best, but even better.
Right. And the exciting thing is that AI can help us push past our creative limits and explore new possibilities in content creation.
So it can open up new doors for us?
Exactly. It can help us think of things we might never have considered before and inspire us to create truly groundbreaking work.
The key is finding that sweet spot between human creativity and AI's capabilities.
I think you hit the nail on the head. It's about understanding what each one does well and using them together in a way that they complement and enhance each other. That's how we can unlock the true potential of AI in content creation.
I'm really starting to see how AI can be a game changer for content creators of all kinds. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about expanding our creative horizons and connecting with our audience on a deeper level. But with all this potential, we have to acknowledge that there are some potential downsides too, right?
Absolutely, you're right. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations that we need to think about carefully. We need to be aware of things like bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the potential for misuse.
That's a good point. AI can be incredibly powerful, but it's really up to us, the humans behind the tech, to make sure it's being used ethically.
I completely agree. We need to be having these conversations, questioning assumptions, and working together to make sure AI is used to benefit everyone.
Right. So for our listeners who are like, okay, I want to try this AI stuff out, where are they even starting?
Yeah, that's the thing, right?
There are so many tools and platforms out there.
Well, the good news is there's a ton of AI tools out there, but a lot of them are actually really easy to use.
Okay.
It really just depends on what you're trying to do.
Let's say you're a blogger who wants to be more efficient with their writing
Okay.
and come up with fresh ideas. What kind of tools would you recommend checking out?
There are some really cool AI writing assistants that can help you get past writer's block, suggest better words, and even restructure sentences to make them clearer and more impactful. Some of them even give you SEO recommendations as you're writing.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, which is super helpful if you want more people to find your content.
That sounds like a huge time saver.
Up.
What about for people who are more visual? Are there AI tools for video creation or graphic design?
Oh yeah, definitely. There are AI tools that can help you create amazing visuals even if you don't have any design experience. Okay. You can generate images from text prompts, create custom illustrations, even make short animated videos with just a few clicks.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It seems like AI is making it possible for anyone to create really high-quality content, no matter their technical skills.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of democratizing content creation in a way.
It really is.
It was
We're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
I think for too, we're still in the early days of this AI revolution, and there's so much potential. It's a really exciting time to be a content creator because, we're seeing this fusion of human creativity and tech innovation. And that has the power to totally change how we create and experience content.
That's amazing. This deep dive is definitely giving me a lot to think about.
Well, I encourage everyone listening to stay curious. Experiment with these new tools and see how AI can help you unlock your own creative potential.
That's great advice. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive into the world of AI and content creation.
It was my pleasure.
And until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
All right, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to get tomorrow's episode. Every 24 hours, we'll deliver the latest AI secrets. Until then, stay curious and keep innovating.